Hello, students! Today we will understand the poem, It's Fun to Cook. This poem teaches us that cooking is not only enjoyable, but also educational. It also reminds us about cleanliness, safety, and responsibility. Let's understand it carefully, line by line. 1. When you're cooking in the kitchen, whenever you are cooking food in the kitchen, the poet is talking directly to children. 2. You're learning all the while. You are learning many things while cooking. Cooking is also a learning activity. 3. To pour and measure, mix and stir. You learn how to pour ingredients, measure them properly, mix them, and stir them. These are useful life skills. 4. And sift flour into a pile. You also learn how to sift flour. Pass it through a sieve to remove lumps. Cooking teaches careful and proper methods. 5. Scrub your hands before you start. Wash your hands properly before cooking. Cleanliness is very important. 6. Then, gather up the gear. Collect all the equipment you need. Gear means tools or utensils. 7. Like pots and pans and measuring cups. Bring pots, pans, and measuring cups. These are basic kitchen tools. 8. That you use throughout the year. These tools are used regularly. Cooking requires preparation. 9. Go over the recipe step by step. Read the recipe carefully, one step at a time. Do not hurry. 10. So you'll know just what to do. This helps you understand what to do. Planning makes work easy. 11. By carefully following the directions. If you follow the instructions properly. 12. It won't be hard for you. Then cooking will not be difficult. Following rules makes things simple. 13. Have a hot pad handy. Keep a cloth or pad nearby to hold hot utensils. Safety is important. 14. And an adult standing by. Make sure an adult is near you while cooking. Children need supervision for safety. 15. So you won't hurt yourself. This is to prevent injuries. 16. When using the stove or baking a pie. Be careful when using the stove or oven. Fire and heat can be dangerous. 17. Besides the fun and learning, apart from enjoying and learning. 18. There's always cleaning up to do. You must also clean the kitchen afterward. Responsibility is important. 19. And even though it's quite a chore, even if cleaning feels tiring. 20. It's part of cooking too. Cleaning is also an important part of cooking. Work is complete only after cleaning. Important themes for exams. Learning through practical work, importance of hygiene, safety precautions, responsibility and discipline. Short summary. The poem, It's Fun to Cook, teaches that cooking is enjoyable and educational. It helps children learn skills like measuring, mixing, and following instructions. The poem also highlights the importance of washing hands, using kitchen tools carefully, and having adult supervision. Finally, it reminds us that cleaning up is an important part of cooking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Dilly Teacher.